You sure? Hmm? So get the link. Look, turn down my mic. All right, we're ready. Ready to go? Ready to go? Ready to go, Matthew? All right, great. We're live. We're live. All right, guys. Good night. Good night. Greetings. All right, so we're back on another live, right? Giving you an update of goal. We have stayed true to our words. I said to you that we're going to remain consistent, and definitely you're getting all of that tonight. All right, so let's see what we have for gold this week. Gold has been doing extremely well. We have we expect this buy. Trust me, like we expect the market to be giving us that big push. Um, and we're gonna look and see why. Within experience, I can tell you this much: like when there are crises within the world, when persons are uncertain about what's gonna happen and this and that, and trust me, that's when they refer to gold as a safe haven, right? Safe is a safe asset, a commodity. So persons prefer to have their asset or their capital in gold rather than into the dollar or any other asset, right? Because they don't know what's going to happen. So especially with this week with Donald Trump, President Donald Trump now in office and everything, um, persons are speaking about tariffs on China and all of that, right? So to excuse all of that, persons normally runs over to gold, and you'll get that buy, that
Look
demand for
and
gold going
see
on.
why.
All right, so let's recap real quick what we have. Let's
Much like
see.
when there are
So
crises
we
within the
spoke
world,
about this
when
section right
persons
here.
are
Currently, we're
uncertain,
on the 4 hour, right? As you can see right there. And we spoke
certain
about this on our
about
last
what's going to
live
happen and this and
regarding
that, and
this
trust me,
era of
that's when
consolidation,
they
right?
they refer to
So
gold
that
as a
was around
safe haven,
psychological line 2705. Gold head to the upside,
right?
bam,
Safe is a
right?
safe asset,
And
a
then you got a
commodity.
structure looking
So
like
persons
this,
prefer to have their asset or
right?
their
And then we got a
capital
big push right here.
in.
So we got entry right at this C point right here. Persons will definitely know what I'm talking about, right? So we got pips heading all the way to the upside up here, right? So for let's see, so this was around Tuesday into Wednesday, coming into Wednesday, which was, let me see, yeah, Wednesday was a big stagnant. You didn't really get much for Wednesday, so you had a little bit of consolidation, right? So within my plan, guys, or what I normally do, I normally allow the market to on a Monday to play out. I don't really touch the market on a Monday, especially this Monday with the swearing in of Donald Trump, as I said before. On Wednesday, I don't know. Sometimes the market just move choppy on a Wednesday sometimes. But let me just pull up the forex calendar. You won't see that on the live. Let me see. Matthew, everything okay on the live? Can you hear me? Matthew? All right, you just confirm. Everything is okay. Okay, great. All right, so I was just looking on my calendar. Didn't really have much. Let me see what Wednesday produce. Okay. Wednesday didn't really have much. Okay. So Thursday, today Thursday we had some. So guys, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm over into the Forex factory. You can pull it up on your end and you can see all the news that we have for red. All right. So for today, Thursday, we had we just had unemployment claims, and Donald Trump gave a speech today. All right, but nothing has changed drastically. Nothing has changed drastic. Nothing. And then tomorrow at 9:45, we have PMI tomorrow. Right, that's a survey of purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. So let's see. Let's see what that will do for tomorrow. But goal has remained the same. So today, Thursday, we got some entries. We made profit, which was good. And I'm going to show you why and how I was able to do that. So on the 4 hour, we can see structure here. Let me go back on the 4 hour. Loading. Let me see. 4 hour. All right, 4 hour. We can see this push here. Bam, same thing again, bam, and then down. That C structure, and then bam to this D structure here. So we can have this push. I have this line already, 2790 as a psychological zone. So this has actually been my target from day one, or from, yeah, 2790. And we expect gold to even burst through that or past that, right? So I took position all the way from down here today, all the way from here, right? When it came around this section here, when it came around this section, like in this section, it was like minutes after 12 thereabout. So I came out of the market, was satisfied with what I got, and came out. So now we're still in, well, we're in the Tokyo session right now, and we're getting that big push off goal. So structure wise, I would have expected to push, of course. So it's no. So for tonight, no, at this time, I'll just chill with even with the news coming out tomorrow. I expect it to get further push, but I'll just chill. I wake up at 4:30 tomorrow morning, right? And we will see if we can get any entry to head up to this line here or past that line. All right. So one step at a time, guys. One step at a time. All right. One step at a time. So yeah, let's look at a bigger time frame, weekly, even though the weekly is just gonna confirm pretty much everything. So watch me carefully, guys. I use my blue lines. Let me go on the line chart. I use my blue lines to identify big major levels, right? Bam. So this will be like my utmost higher high, and this will be like my lower low point right here, right? And up here, right? The market structure wise, simple. Bam, push, retest, bam, push. So you can see a bigger picture right there. So I know that the market is gonna head all the way. We're predicting, or we're having the outlook. That's why it has the title is called Gold Outlook. We are predicting that the market will head to this psychological level, 2790, either pass it or test it or something, but something's gonna happen. And I believe it can happen between now and tomorrow. Now we're at 23, 27.74. So it don't take much to reach all the way up here. Trust me. All right. So that's the outlook we have for tonight, guys. So appreciate the time and appreciate you. Keep trading. I'll be coming out with some with information because we're doing a partnership actually, so we can get some more one-on-ones with you guys. I'll tell you more what is going on, so you guys can actually not just watch me putting these outputs or predicting these markets, but I can teach you step by step how to do all this. All right, so um, stay tuned for more. But thank you guys. Have a good one. Good night.